I'm heading to the Texas Inspectors Convention, and I'll tell you why. It's open to everyone. You can be in Texas or not, and you're welcome to attend. There's going to be a ton of education with state approvals, and we keep getting more state approvals, so keep checking back. Once you register for the event, you have access to all of the workshops. We've got residential HVAC, plumbing systems. Rob is teaching commercial inspections, and they got me to teach everything you need to be successful. Inspecting grading and drainage, framing issues, advanced electrical systems, framing according to the International Residential Code, more electrical systems, multifamily housing, top 10 complaints, building wealth and maximizing profits, pools and spas, how to write inspection reports about roofs, chapter leader roundtable event, women's roundtable discussion. We've got the House of Horrors virtual reality tour. We've got Simpson strong tie and sewer scope and well inspections. Oh yeah, and inspection crawler. And we have the best vendors in the industry. And it's all being held at the Omni. What a fantastic hotel. And we have a ton of giveaways. To register, visit InterNACHI at nachi.org, NACHI.org. See you there.